Today's lesson is The Farmer and His Beautiful Wife. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a hard-working farmer named Jacob. Jacob was known for his kindness, honesty, and tireless dedication to his work. His farm was not the biggest, but he put all his effort into it every day, tending to his crops and animals with love. Jacob's wife, Lily, was as beautiful as a summer day. She had a heart full of warmth and a smile that could brighten anyone's mood. She and Jacob had been childhood sweethearts, and when they grew older, they married and started a humble life together on the farm. They didn't have much in terms of wealth, but they had each other, and that was enough for them. Every morning, Jacob would rise with the sun, while Lily would prepare a simple breakfast. They would share their meal, laugh together, and then begin their daily tasks. Jacob would work in the fields, planting seeds, watering the crops, and caring for the animals. Lily would gather herbs from the garden, feed the chickens, and take care of the house. Together, they worked in harmony, each one supporting the other. As the years went by, Jacob and Lily faced many challenges. There were years when the rain didn't come, and their crops dried up. Other times, storms would flood the fields, washing away everything they had planted. But through it all, they stood by each other, holding hands and reassuring one another that they would get through it together. One year, the drought was especially severe. The ground was cracked, the crops were dying, and the animals were weak. Jacob felt a deep sorrow in his heart as he looked at the fields that had once been so full of life. He knew that if things didn't change soon, they might lose everything. Seeing Jacob's despair, Lily put her hand on his shoulder and said, "We have faced hard times before, my love. As long as we have each other, we will find a way through this." Jacob nodded, grateful for Lily's strength. He knew she was right. They had always managed to survive, and they would find a way to survive this time too. In an effort to save their farm, Jacob decided to sell some of their livestock at the village market. It was a difficult decision because those animals were like family to him, but he knew it was necessary. The day came when he had to say goodbye to his beloved cows and chickens. He loaded them onto a cart and made his way to the market. As he walked away, he felt tears stinging his eyes, but he held his head high. He was doing this for Lily, for their future. When he returned from the market, he handed Lily the money he had earned. She took his hand, looking at him with eyes full of love. "Jacob, you have sacrificed so much for us. I am so grateful for you." He held her close, feeling the warmth of her embrace. "As long as I have you, Lily, I will give up anything," he whispered. "You are my heart, my reason for living." The drought continued, and their days were filled with hard work and uncertainty. But every evening, they would sit together under the stars, sharing stories and dreams. They spoke of the days when the rains would return, when the fields would be green again, and their farm would be full of life. Finally, after months of waiting, the rain clouds began to gather on the horizon. The first drops fell softly on the parched ground, and Jacob and Lily ran outside, laughing as the rain soaked through their clothes. They danced together, their hearts full of joy and relief. Over the next few weeks, the land came back to life. The fields turned green, the crops began to grow, and the animals regained their strength. Jacob and Lily had weathered the storm, and now they could enjoy the fruits of their labor once again. As the years went by, they continued to face challenges, but they knew they could overcome anything as long as they were together. Their love was a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest times, there is always light. And so Jacob and Lily grew old together on their little farm. They had no great wealth, no fancy possessions, but they had something far more valuable, a life filled with love, laughter, and memories of all they had endured together. Their story was simple, yet it was a story of true love, of resilience, and of finding happiness in the small moments. They proved that sometimes the greatest treasure in life is not riches or power, but the warmth of a loving heart and the strength of a kind soul. And in the village, people would often tell the tale of Jacob and Lily, the farmer and his beautiful wife, who showed everyone that love, above all else, can weather any storm. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I hope it helps you improve your English skills. Stay tuned for more interesting stories to come.